Every AI you open remembers a different slice of you. Unabyss gives all of them one shared memory that you own. Claude, Cursor, ChatGPT, finally on the same page. Connect your accounts once: Gmail, Drive, GitHub, your notes, your meeting recorder. Unabyss reads them and builds a living profile of you automatically, no forms to fill in. Then any AI you use can read it. And it's getting worse. Now that Claude and ChatGPT each ship their own built-in memory, switching tools resets what your AI knows. Your Claude memory doesn't follow you to Cursor. Your Gemini never saw Slack. One context, every tool, in 3 steps. Connect 2 apps. Unabyss structures a profile of you, tagged by topic and sensitivity. Add it over MCP, and Claude or Cursor is caught up from the first prompt. And it runs both ways. What you do in each tool flows back, and you choose exactly what every tool sees. So, product or feature? A real product, but memory is going native everywhere. Claude remembers you across chats now, and Unabyss itself says to turn that on. Its bet is a context that's structured, portable across every tool and yours. Native memory can't be all 3. It's a 7-day free trial, no card, then 13 a month. You're handing it real accounts, so access is read-only, it never trains on your data, and its SOC 2 audit is still in progress. Built by Philip Kubinski and team. Instead of every AI knowing a different slice of you, one context does, and it travels with you. That's Unabyss.